Earthquakes can strike without warning, turning our world upside down in seconds. Recently, we've seen devastating quakes across the globe. Are you truly prepared if one hits your neighborhood today? Let's learn how to survive. When the shaking starts, remember 3 words: drop, cover, and hold on. Drop to your hands and knees. Cover your head and neck under a sturdy table. Hold on to your shelter until the shaking stops. If you are outdoors, move to an open area away from buildings, power lines, and trees. What if the worst happens and you are trapped under debris? First, stay calm and protect your airway. Cover your mouth with a cloth to avoid inhaling dust. Do not shout unnecessarily, as it wastes energy and oxygen. Instead, tap on a pipe or wall 3 times regularly so rescuers can locate you. Preparation saves lives before disasters strike. You should prepare an emergency go bag for your family. It must include at least a 3-day supply of water and non-perishable food, a flashlight, a first aid kit, a whistle to signal for help, and a battery-powered radio for emergency broadcasts. Safety isn't about luck, it's about preparation. Share this video with your loved ones today. Subscribe to our channel for more life-saving tips, and stay safe everyone.
Subscribe for more videos. Want useful life hacks? Click our blog link in the pinned comment. Thank you. Thank you.